I seem to recognize your face, haunting, familiar yet can't seem to place it. Cannot find a candle thought to light your name. Lifetimes of catching up. Welcome back, coming to you from deep south in Australia, from Tasmania. This is where we're filming at the moment. It may look a little bit different while I get things sorted out down here, but here's a lesson this week for a great Pearl Jam song called Elderly Woman Behind a Counter in a Small Town. One of the longest song titles you'll find, but a great simple song with easy open chords. Another really good exercise in strumming. Now it's in a 6/8 kind of rhythm, which is 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the real challenge and what's going to make this song sound great is this 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Start with your downstrokes. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then put the upstrokes in. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you're actually 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, right? And all your hands are on the up strums. Then you can kind of skip the strings, skip those strums wherever you like, and it's going to sound good because your right hand's going to be moving, or your strumming hand rather, is going to be moving you in time and keeping you in time. The only other real trick to this is on that G over B chord to muffle that E string. Don't play that E string. Our chords are super easy. They're open D, C add 9. If you wanted to do a normal C, you can, and it sounds fine, but C add 9 actually makes things easy because after the C add 9, you go to a G, and if you're doing a G with those top two fingers on the B and E strings, then going from a C add 9 to a G is one of the most beautiful hacks in guitar playing. You can go C, G, C, G, C, G as fast as you can imagine. After the G, you come back to the C add 9 and then lower your bass note to the B, which is the 2nd fret A string, and don't play the bottom E string. If you're a finger strummer, use your thumb just to muffle the top of that E string. If you're a picker, you can use this thumb to muffle that E string, or you can just miss the E string if you're good enough. But the idea is to play this, which I've written as a G over B, because if you take a G and give it a B bass note, it's basically taking away this note. But that's what we're playing. That's your verses. I seem to recognize your face. Does that 4 times through, and then it goes back to a C. Oh, wish I'd seen your face. C to A 3 times, and then to E minor for 2 bars. The chorus, same as the verse. Hearts and thoughts, they fade away. First chorus, it does that through twice, those 4 chords through twice. 4 chords? 5 chords. So, but it does those 4 bars through twice. The second time through the chorus, you only do it 4 bars once, if that makes sense. It's on your chart. Download it and you'll never lose track again. But that's it. Then it goes back to the verse progression again, which, as we know, is the same as the chorus progression. We just don't do that little bridge which goes C to A, C to A, C to A, E minor. We don't do that bridge the 3rd time through. It goes straight from the verse into the chorus, hearts and thoughts they feed, and fades it out. There you have it. It's a great song. It's a simple song. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay tuned for lots more lessons because we're on the ground now and we're settling in and things will get back to our regular scheduled program. Give me a shout out if you want to hear anything about Tasmania. I don't know anything. Give me a shout out if you like this song. Let me know how you go. I'm always open to requests and love to hear comments from people. So thanks a lot for watching and we'll see you here again soon.